Sorry, you turn it off. Let's talk about doors. Thanks, Oscar. Your snacks are good. You're good snacks, Oscar. All right. Let's talk about a new product, everyone. New inner door brackets. We've been working on this for a while. We've actually installed it on a couple of trucks that have come to the shop. We've noticed a couple things with these OBS Fords. Excuse me. These trucks come with a strap that connects the outside of the door panel to the inside. And what happens is, they come to the shop and they've been broken out. And usually we'd weld them back together and you'd strengthen this up. Well, we kind of are starting to play around with pocketing this area and see what it would do. And we've done it, like I said before, on a couple of customer rigs, also on the cowboy truck. When we did that, it made this whole area super rigid. Therefore, the mirror, it would eliminate, like, I don't know, 70% of the vibration that was coming through the mirror. It was amazing. Now, our old inner door bracket wasn't terrible. It did a great job. But it didn't do the job of pocketing this area as much as we really didn't know that it needed. So, what's awesome about this is you can actually drill these two spots here. We give you a U-nut and it can bolt in. So if you've already done a mirror conversion, you've painted this side of the door, you can actually add this to an already existing kit. So you don't mess up your paint, it just bolts in. You do have to weld to tack it in on this side, in the front and back, in the middle, to tie it all in. If you want, you can actually weld the whole thing. It's up to you. We give you a pocketed section here so your wing window stud can poke through. It's pretty rad. Even if you're not running like one of our mirror kits, it works great on trucks that, like I said, have had that strap break away. Maybe you've seen your door, you close it, and this outer skin of your truck like vibrates, the mirror vibrates. A lot of times, that is from that Ford strap that comes, like it cracks out. This eliminates that, takes care of that, stiffens it all up. Like I said, it's on the website, check it out. Instructions are on there too. You can look at those, how it's installed. I think that's it. Kenny, is there anything else?
Comes in every mirror kit now.
It does come in every mirror kit. So this is the updated version of our inner door bracket. So check it out.